Now, say my name. Heisenberg. You're goddamn right. But you know the business. And I know the chemistry. I'm thinking.
Hello, legends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make shake plus zoom effects exactly like Parth Editz. And the best part is, you can do it all on your phone. This tutorial is going to be super interesting and informative, so make sure to watch carefully till the end. Also, I just want to say a big thank you for all the amazing support you guys have been giving me. It really means a lot. That's why, in this video, I've added 2 special bonus gifts just for you. I'll tell you where and how to get them during the video, so don't skip and definitely don't miss those bonus gifts. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into our tutorial. That's it, guys. Now let's talk about our bonus gifts. So the gifts are a full shake plus Zoom Edit XML link just like Parth Editz, and a color correction CC XML link like FicTick. You can get all of these on my Telegram, so don't wait. Go there quickly, download them, and enjoy. But hey, if you haven't watched even one of my 2 videos yet, make sure to watch them first. They're very important tutorials. All right then, see you in the next video. Bye guys.